Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to remove a message from Messenger on both sides. Now go ahead and open your Messenger. This is a dummy account that I've created for this tutorial purposes only. So let's see, there's a bunch of options here. So Messenger hasn't really updated that much from the past couple of years, but this is the way to do it. I'm going to show you how to properly do this. So here's a bunch of options here. You could customize privacy if that's what you want. So I'm going to be typing, wait, let me just scroll down here a little bit. Let me just type it in here a little bit, the dummy message that we're going to be deleting, so that the other side could not see this as well. So first and foremost, long click, long press, 3 dots, remove. So once you click remove, click on the option where it says unsend, and that'll do the magic for you. So the other party is now not going to be able to see the message as well. So I certainly hope this video is of any help for you guys, and yep, that's just basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.